Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
The journey begins the moment our raw materials arrive. Quality control is paramount, checking every shipment to ensure only the finest ingredients enter our process. Precision is key. Every material batch undergoes non-destructive testing to verify its molecular integrity and strength before it can be accepted. Once inspected, the sheets move quickly into the initial preparation area. Here, massive rollers flatten and prepare the metal for precision cutting. While much of the cutting is automated, human expertise is indispensable. Our technicians monitor the programs that dictate the exact, micrometer-perfect dimensions of every body panel. The body panels are cut from the sheets with near zero waste. The remaining metal is immediately sorted for efficient recycling. The next crucial stage is the preparation of the battery materials. This requires an environment of clinical purity. To prevent any moisture contamination, materials are processed within an extremely low humidity dry room, a process constantly monitored by multiple sensor arrays. Inside these sealed environments, robots perform the most delicate tasks, ensuring chemical precision that is impossible for human hands alone. The mixing phase is critical, creating a perfectly homogeneous slurry that will ultimately define the cell's power density and life cycle. This highly prepared mixture is then precision-coated onto thin metallic foils, the foundation of the battery cell. The nervous system of the car, the wiring harness, requires massive initial organization and prep, managing miles of copper wiring. Even the smallest interior component starts as a simple polymer. The quality of these basic components ensures the tactile feel and durability of the finished cabin. Just-in-time delivery for specialized chemicals and sealants is managed by high-speed logistics, ensuring materials are always fresh and precisely where they are needed. Despite the high degree of automation, the final quality of materials often requires the judgment of a trained human eye, verifying materials like glass are flawless. With the preparation complete, metal, battery materials, and all auxiliary components. From raw sheets, the journey into a car begins with the incredible forces of the stamping presses, transforming flat metal into intricate body panels. Inside the die, thousands of tons of pressure precisely sculpt the metal, creating curves and structural elements that define the vehicle's form and safety. Each press delivers a precise blow, shaping critical components like door panels, fenders, and structural reinforcements with incredible speed and accuracy. While automation defines the process, human expertise remains crucial. Our technicians perform meticulous quality checks, ensuring every panel meets our exacting standards. From the presses, these complex shapes emerge, ready to be transported to the next stage of assembly, forming the very skeleton of the vehicle. The heart of the electric vehicle, the battery cell, begins to take shape as the coated foils are meticulously wound into compact jelly rolls. Each cell is a miniature powerhouse, its internal connections precisely welded with pinpoint lasers, ensuring maximum conductivity and safety. Every cell undergoes rigorous automated inspection, with high-speed vision systems detecting any deviation that could compromise performance or longevity. The electrolyte, a crucial element for ion flow, is precisely injected into each cell within a vacuum, ensuring complete saturation and optimal chemical reactions. Hundreds of individual cells, each a perfect miniature, are then grouped into modules, the building blocks of the car's ultimate power source. Beyond the main structure, hundreds of smaller components, from dashboard elements to intricate trim, are brought to life through precise injection molding. Even seemingly simple components are complex. Robotic systems apply adhesive, assemble intricate subparts, and ensure a flawless finish for the vehicle's interior. Just-in-time logistics orchestrates the movement of thousands of parts. AGVs navigate the factory floor, ensuring every component arrives precisely when needed. Precision extends to every structural element. Here the vehicle is born. Precise, multi-ton castings and delicate panels converge, guided by a mesmerizing ballet of robotics, marking the most critical moment of structural assembly. In a fraction of a second, the robot applies a high-energy weld. Thousands of these precise points create a monolithic structure, engineered for ultimate rigidity and passenger safety. Robots don't just weld, they hold the entire structure in micrometric alignment, ensuring zero deviation across the entire body frame. Every completed shell is scanned and verified against its digital twin. Millimeter precision is non-negotiable, guaranteeing aerodynamic performance and perfect panel gaps. The raw materials have been transformed into the vehicle's exoskeleton, a body in white, naked steel and aluminum, ready for its most crucial components. Next, the power source is integrated. The structural battery pack is not just energy storage, it's a core component of the car's physical rigidity. The pack is secured with automated speed and power, connecting the energy core directly to the vehicle's structural load path. The connection is sealed against the elements. A final layer of specialized sealant ensures the long-term integrity and thermal management of the pack. Before moving on, the core system performs its first health check. Advanced diagnostics verify every cell and connection to guarantee peak performance from the very first mile. The transformation is complete. The combination of the body and the battery floor forms a single, rigid, lightweight unit, the true core of the Tesla architecture. In parallel, the specialized electric motors and gearboxes are staged. The next transformation, the shell meets its power and drive systems. The high voltage lines, the arteries of the electric vehicle, are connected with meticulous care, ensuring a robust, safe pathway for power. After the flawless paint process, the car enters the trim line. This is where the vehicle finds its comfort, its controls, and its distinct character. In the tight confines of the cockpit, human dexterity remains essential, ensuring every electrical connection is secure for a lifetime of performance. Doors, windows, and glass are pre-assembled offline. At this station, entire modules are mated to the car body with superhuman precision. Glazing is an art of geometry and adhesion. Proper installation is vital for structural integrity, aerodynamics, and passenger comfort. The vehicle's environment is complete. Every surface, every stitch has been placed, transforming a metal shell into a technological sanctuary. The final accessories are installed, marking the transition from a product on an assembly line to a registered vehicle ready for the road. Every regulation, every safety detail is meticulously managed. The final data labels confirm the vehicle's readiness for global dispatch. A final cleanse prepares the immaculate surface for public viewing, removing every trace of the manufacturing process. The last piece of the puzzle is the digital intelligence. The car's software receives its final over-the-air update, fully activating all features and connectivity. For the long journey ahead, a final layer of protection safeguards the pristine finish, ensuring the car arrives in the same condition it left the line. The mission is complete. The factory floor gives way to the global logistics network as the finished vehicles embark on their final trip to the customer. The physical link to the machine, the key card, is transferred, signaling the beginning of a new owner's journey. With a final electronic farewell from the factory system, the vehicle begins its true purpose.
This is amazing.
Silently accelerating into the future. This is the moment the machine truly
Autopilot
becomes
engaged.
personal, molded to the driver's preferences, connectivity, and command.